Hey guys, this is Maria from Candida's nutrition team, and today's customer question is, what high sugar foods should I avoid on the Candida diet? Treating your Candida successfully means eliminating added sugars from your diet. Foods that are often advertised as healthy and nutritious can be packed full of sugar and hinder your progress. Dried fruit like cranberries or raisins seem like a healthy way to get a serving of fruit each day, but in reality they're extremely high in sugar. Some brands even add extra sugar in the coating during manufacture. Because they have been dehydrated, a typical serving of dried fruit can contain 10 times more sugar than their fresh counterpart. For a tasty snack, try a handful of cashews, coconut flakes, or fresh berries. Breakfast cereals are usually marketed as healthy. However, most of them are loaded with added sugars. They even add different types of sugar to confuse you, such as molasses, barley, malt extract, corn syrup, and high fructose syrup. Instead of reaching for cereal, try a low-carb granola made with nuts and seeds, or breads and pancakes made with almond or coconut flour. Ready-made sauces like pasta sauces, salad dressings, and common condiments contain a surprising amount of added sugars. You may want to add them for a boost of flavor to your food, but they can damage your health. The best option is to make your own sauces so you can control what goes into them. Try using chopped tomatoes, garlic, and herbs to make your own pasta sauce. For creamy sauces, use low-fat yogurt, tahini, or cashews. We hope this answers your question. If you want to contact us for more information, please email us at support@cancida.com and we will get back to you. At Cancida, your health is important to us.